In the forge's glow, a blacksmith stands, his hammer raised, his tongue's in hand. His beard is long, his eyes are wise, a craftsman skilled in shaping iron's guise. His apron stained with soot and sweat, a testament to the work he's met. The blacksmith's art, a timeless skill, a dance of fire, hammer and steel. The anvil, his faithful mate, in the heat they forge and create. The hammer's swing, a rhythm strong, in skilled hands where it belongs. Faithful mate, in the heat they forge and create. The hammer's swing, a rhythm strong, in skilled hands where it belongs. Though his hands precise with learned technique, it's his heart and soul that let the iron speak. A craftsman's touch with years refined, a master's flair with passion entwined. With each blow, the metal sings a song of strength, a symphony of things. A craftsman's skill, a master's art, in every piece does his passion impart. In the forge's heat, he finds his peace. A craftsman's soul, a master's ease. The blacksmith's forge, a sacred ground